Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see about constraint layout in Android development. It is a powerful layout manager that made a revolution in the Android app design system. What is constraint layout? A constraint layout is a flexible layout manager that allows easily to create a complex UI designs. It is similar to relative layout. Constraint layout utilizes constraint to define the position and alignment of the UI elements. With constraint layout, we can easily create a responsive UI that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations, making it a go-to choice for modern app development. Now let's dive into the practical example of using constraint layout. Head over to the Android Studio. If you create any new XML, by default, the parent layout is a constraint layout. If it is not a constraint layout, feel free to change to constraint layout. And inside, we're going to add a button. To follow the best standards, we need to add the Android ID for each element we are using inside the constraint layout. And here, if you see, there is a red mark here which saying the view is not constrained, which means we not added any constraint related attributes to position this element. Now let's add some constraint. Type app colon. We need to import the app. Head over to the app. Click on option enter or control enter. And if you see, there will be added something called autores. Type layout underscore constraint. First thing, we need to plan where we need to show this top button. We just need to show this top button to the center of the parent. So we can just specify start underscore to start off, and here just add parent. If you see, as soon as we add it, this element will start to the parent. Now we need to specify, like start, we have something called end. We need to use end to end of parent, which makes our UI horizontally centered. Similar like start end, there is something called top and bottom. We need to use same, just to type top to top and select this and same parent, and again bottom to bottom, same parent. So now this element becomes in center. Now we will create another button, same button, wrap content, and in this the text will be bottom button, give ID also. Now we need to make this button bottom of this top button. Okay, how we will do this is, we have something called top to bottom of constraint top is belongs to this element, and the to bottom of is belongs to end element. Like you just specify this, and if we give parent, it will be go bottom to the parent. If we give some ID and referring to this top button ID, which make our element bottom of this top button. And again, we can just specify start and end to center, start to start of parent and end to end of parent. So these constraints will ensure that these buttons stay fixed at their respective positions regardless of screen sizes and orientation. So this is a simple example showcasing the power and flexibility of constraint layout in Android development. We will see about guidelines and chains in the constraint layout in the upcoming videos. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment. We'll catch up on next video. Thank you.